Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 PRO, and in this video I am going to show you how to update Windows on this laptop. So to update Windows, all you have to do is open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then select Windows Update and click Check for Updates right here, and check if you have any updates. Once your device finds any updates, it will automatically begin the installation process, and once the updates are installed, if you get notified that you have to restart your PC after that, then simply restart it either by opening your Start menu and going to the power options and selecting restart, or by clicking restart, which is option which will be located right here. As you can see, I just updated my Microsoft Defender, and it didn't require a restart, so I didn't get notified. Also, for advanced updates, go to Advanced Options, Optional Updates, and if you have any updates that you want to install right here, then hit the checkbox next to the update you want to install and click Download and Install right here. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.